Hi, this is a quick tour of the Python ETL Lab. I'm going to click on this lab button here. As you can see, my lab environment is already up and running, due to which my connect RDP is on here. But if, for example, you are logging in now for the first time, you would have to start the VM here. You will find a start button. I've shared a video earlier regarding how to go about starting it. Please feel free to use that. If you still need any questions or run into problems, please do reach out. So I have my RDP running here. I'm going to select this and get connected to the RDP. The idea is I'm just going to close some of the sessions that I had opened from before. I'm going to make this full screen so that I get to type. So I'm going to go to the folder of interest first. This is the folder. This is the folder where you will find everything that you need to find out about this project. Folders for the API app, database, pipelines, and a reporting app that's running on top of it, the scripts. As you might have understood from the lab assignment that we have shared with you, we have created a multi-sourced data mart that comes like that gets filled from data through an API, sourcing through uploading files. So like bringing data in through APIs, and also through SQLs. And finally, all of this sits on your data mart, and then you have a reporting app that runs on top of it, right? So all aspects of that are available here, and you can find your details about the for example, your source files are here under the source files folder. I'm going to give you a quick peek into it. That's source files right there, and that's a retail sales source file that we have. Then we have the ETL pipeline scripts are sitting in this folder. You can see them right there. So now my backend API app is running, so I should be able to test the API with this, right? And I'm also going to now get the reporting app started in a similar fashion. My reporting app is also up and running. I can check the reporting app on the browser. I'm going to do that on Edge for now, but you can install Chrome if you would like and check it out. And that's pretty much what the various components that are part of this demo or this lab that I have tried to demonstrate here. Feel free to use the documentation that's available on this recording, and if you still run into issues, you can always reach out to us. We should be able to provide any assistance that is required. Thank you.